Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform. It's you telling YouTube that you're enjoying my content and that they should put my video in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right. Today, also I have a giveaway going on because we hit that 2K, which is mind-blowing to me still. We have it in the video that we did to celebrate a giveaway. It's like a 5-pound box of fantastic products that I wanted to be able to share with you guys to help in the celebration of hitting that fantastic number. So I want to make sure that if you guys haven't watched that video, I share a little bit with you during it, but I want to make sure that you watch it, and that's where you would need to enter to be part of that giveaway, and then the winner will be announced at the end of the month. All right? Okay. Today, I finally got, and I'm excited because this is one of my favorite bags. It is the IPSY $12 a month bag. And this is where when anyone ever asks me, where do I start for what I would suggest to start? The best place to start, to even know that you would like to receive products every single month, is with this IPSY $12 glam bag. Because not only do you get a bag, you get to choose one of the items in the bag, and you get 5 sample sizes, and sometimes they'll make it a full size. And I think in this bag, I ended up with 2 full sizes. So, and then it gives you access to the shopper, the pop-up, the points section, that if you do reviews, you get points, which get you free products. It's just fantastic. So that's where I tell everybody to start. So, and the bags are usually really well done, and this is no exception. So it's so beautiful that even in the Glam X bag, that you had to choose it to be one of the bags. The design that was inside of it was this design. So really, really impressed with IPSY. So this one here has the rose gold type of coloring to their toggle. And then inside it is still fully lined, and it has the IPSY logo inside. So these are always really, really nice, and they are fantastic to travel with, to keep all your hair accessories or things separated. They're just really, really beautiful, and they're also great to give as gifts. So really, really happy to get that. Also within here, you get a card, and in the card, when it's in the glam bag, they send it with all the information about the products that are in here, and they also give you the information. If it's a deluxe sample size, the price of the full size item will be in here as well. I got into a habit of taking all the notes in reference to the products that I'm choosing on the day of choice, and then I leave it on my desk so that when the items come in, I make sure that what I was supposed to get was going to be in the bag. I open up my bags prior to, as you know, on my channel, I take a picture for Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's a good place to know more about me. It's True Wants with the number 2 beside it. But what I do is also when these products first come out, in that second section where I always tell you to click on the picture and so on and so forth to get more information, they sometimes give discount codes if you like the product. But that's never the information that's on the cards. So I leave all that information in the description box down below. And like I've mentioned to you in many of my videos, when I started the channel, it was because there was information that I wanted that I wasn't getting, and I wanted to, that's why my videos are a little bit more informative. I talk a lot in my videos, and I talk quickly because I want to get it all in a short period of time, and I always have so much information that I want to share with you, and I always forget half the stuff that I want to share with you because there's no edits here, and I'm live, and it's usually in the middle or the end of my workday, and I wanted to make sure to always be able to share with you guys. So in the description box down below, I use the information as well that when I use the product, I go back to this video description box to see if there was a discount or what the cost of the full size is and what size I got and so on and so forth. So all that information that I do for myself, those notes, I put them in the description box so that we can all benefit from whatever research I had the opportunity to do. All right? Okay, so let's start with the first item that was the choice item for me. And this is one that I have been talking to since the first day that I got my hands on this product. If you have not had the opportunity to try the Complex Culture brushes, you are missing out. And if you have a choice to make it a choice item, so there's no real cost to you for it to be in the bag, because I think this retails for $18 and this is a choice item in a $12 bag. Definitely don't close your eyes to this. This is a definite winner. Complex Culture is part of IPSY. These products are developed in an IPSY lab. So Complex Culture is an IPSY brand, but it's a brand on its own. And the products that they're coming out with are so high end, but at attainable prices, and especially if we get to choose them to put them into our bags. So if you, and you'll always see that if I have a choice to get something from Complex Culture, you will see and hear about it on my channel, because everything that I've tried from their brand, I have enjoyed. And if you have, please share it in the comments down below. So this one here, they also have a discount code for it, which I will leave, like I said, in the description box down below. This is full size, and they say, we know time is precious to you, so this is the next level shadow brush. It is a true multitasker. You could use it wet or dry to shade your eye crease. You could blend shadow across your lids or highlight your inner corner of your eyes. The densely packed bristles blend like a dream, and the soft matte handle is so comfy to use. You could sweep and blend eyeshadow onto your lids. It's made to work with all eye shapes and sizes. It's vegan and cruelty free. And about the brand, it says it is a collab between the beauty pros and a community of women that aims to simplify our routines so you feel twice as confident in half the time. I am blown away with this brand, with the quality of the products, and the designs that they're choosing are just out of this world. And it even comes with a holder for it. So like I said, they don't miss anything in reference to Complex Culture. The next one is a brand that I have shared with you also on my channel that I absolutely tell you guys that if you see the lip products, the lipsticks from I think this is even one that's on my lips now, they are winners. And when they're in the $3 section in the add-ons, they are full size. But this brand is a higher end brand, and I had no idea about this brand until I got introduced to it through IPSY, and I've had the luxury to get the products at such fantastic prices. So this brand is also one that if you see anything from it, Context is called Skin. It is fantastic. What I got in my box today was a nail lacquer, and it's called And Take It Off. This is full size, and this is a $15 value. This is a gel. Manis are your jam. Then you will love this chip resistant high shine finish. This polish leaves on your fingers, and not only is it a peachy nude shade, which is super cute, it's clean too. The formula is a non-toxic and 5 free. It prep your nails as usual, then apply 2 thin coats of the color followed by a top coat. It's vegan and cruelty free. Love your clean beauty, then you'll love Context Skin and their line of skincare products. They're all derived from natural ingredients. Like I said, this brand, if it wasn't for IPSY, I wouldn't know about it, and I absolutely love it. The next one is also a brand that's owned by IPSY and developed in the IPSY labs, and it's this one called Item Beauty. It comes in this little packaging here. This is what I received, and this is one that they developed alongside with, I think, a TikTok star. And this is called the Lip Quip, and it's in Come Thru. This is a sample size, but there is a discount code, which I will leave in the description box. The full size of this is $12, but this is a lip oil, and they're saying it is a plant-based conditioner like jojoba oil, almond oil, and shea butter will help create a glossy protective barrier on your lips. You will love the gorgeous sheen and the all-day hydration. You can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick for an extra hit of shine. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and dermatology tested to be safe on your skin. They're saying about the brand, and here it is. We scored a TikTok superstar. Her name is Addison Rae for Item Beauty products exclusively for you. And you bet they're worth the hype. As a co-founder and chief innovative officer, she infuses a healthy dose of self-love into her line of the good for you makeup so that you will look and feel 100 every time you apply. And lip oils, I have been enjoying so much. They have been showing up in our boxes, and they are just fantastic. One that I'm using on a daily basis right now, I got, I think, in a BoxyCharm box from the Cab line. And I've also tried the Item ones, which I've also enjoyed. And this has a beautiful peach tint to it too. So really happy to get that. That is so up my alley. All right, and the next one that we got in the box is a brand new brand to me, and I'm really excited. The packaging on this is so cute. And this is obviously a deluxe sample size. This is the top of the product here. and this is the front of it here. And what this is, it says it is a sleeping lip mask, and the brand is called, put my staple there, it's called Look and Me 2 Cosmetics. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, please help me out in the description, in the comments down below. They're saying this is a deluxe sample. It is a lip treatment, and the full size for this would be a $16 value. They're saying eliminate the dryness and the chapping while you snooze with this powerful overnight lip mask. This blend of plant-based oils and butters lock in moisture and nutrients so you wake up softer and smoother lips guaranteed. Apply a generous amount layer on your lips before bed or tap it into your lips during the day. It creates the perfect hydration base for all of your matte lip colors. That's a good idea too. They're saying the company here is a team of beauty researchers that explore the world to find the safest and most effective ingredients for all of their products. That sounds amazing also. So this is what the product looks like here. I use lip masks every single night. So when I wake up in the morning, my lips are hydrated. And since I started doing that, and I mean, I've been doing it for many, many years, I don't have any issues with my lips peeling, with them breaking, chapping, any of that. And it's all because I choose to do any lip mask treatment at night. So always happy to have the opportunity to try a new brand. But that's a product that I swear by. And if you're not doing it, you're missing out how fantastic your lips can feel first thing in the morning. The next item in here is from Skin&Co, Roma, which is another brand that I have been so impressed with. I enjoy their face products. I've had the opportunity to try their toners as well as their cleansers and their exfoliators. So happy to get something that is a hand cream, because I go through hand cream, which I'm sure we all do, like water. And this one is called the Citrus Amaro. And this is a deluxe sample size, and the full size of this is $12. And it says, give your hands the TLC they deserve, that this is nourishing and yummy scented cream. Formulated with shea butter, sweet almond oil, it transforms dry, cracked skin without any greasiness, and the vibrant citrus scent, one whiff and you'll be transported into the Mediterranean. So we'll have to check that out. Massage a small amount of this cream into your hands whenever they feel dry. It's cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good every time you apply it. Since the beginning, Skin&Co has operated from a small village in Italy, where they source, grow, and extract the best Mediterranean ingredients to create natural skincare. So let's open this up. It does have a safety seal, which I struggled with, but we got half of it pulled back before we started filming. I'm just going to remove my rings, and we are going to just remove any little product we swatched on our hands here. And then we are going to, because this is close to the end of my day, enjoy the luxury of the Mediterranean. So scent is very, very faint. It's not like an overpowering scent at all, but it's it has a bit of I don't smell citrus. It has almost like a powdery scent to it, but it is going on and drinking into my skin. Really unbelievable. Like, you saw how much I put on, and it is completely dry. Like it just drank, my skin just drank this in. Really, really excited. And products from Italy to be able to get in a $12 bag, I think is an absolute win. So as always, you know how much I enjoy my IPSY and my $12 bag. Please share with me if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products. Leave it in the comments down below. If not, that's it for today. I appreciate, as always, that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time in the United States, everything is starting to move in the right direction, but I still want everybody to continue to be safe so that we can all continue to be well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.